Hi everyone, a quick update on everything that I've been doing. I've been terrible at getting back to you with some fresh content for this channel, but here's why. I'm busy working on an etching, and I'm going to follow on, show you a little bit about how this is developing in a minute. I'm also busy doing some very small silver points, more silver points. I've got a whole series going on over there in progress, and I'm just checking where everything is. I'm also producing these. Now these go on, these are a series of independent little acrylic paintings on primed card, and they go on to actually be components of larger compositions. These are still in progress at the moment. I'm working them up slowly. And I tend to work in sub-series, so you can see a lot there that are quite gestural. And then some recurrent motifs being developed. So they are destined, there's probably about 40 there, but I tend to produce 100 at a time. And they tend to go on to produce the larger paintings, or possibly mid-sized paintings that will then suggest even larger ones. And then I'll also just show you, I've also, as a case in point, produced a series here which you can see on my Instagram account. So quite a lot is developing. Somewhere I heard a saying once that you should never approach a horse from the front, you always approach a horse sideways. Maybe that's what I'm doing with this YouTube channel. Maybe it's what I'm doing in my painting, who knows. But it's a pretty good quote. Anyway, there is more content coming down the line. Don't go away. Come back or subscribe down below, and then when I do post content, you'll hear about it. Yeah, you'll get a notification. So what else to say? Not very much, other than now I'm going to talk you through what I've been doing on this etching plate. It's the largest etching I've done for many a decade. This has just come out of the Edinburgh etch solution, and that's going to be printed up tomorrow. So I will be posting some more progress soon. Hope everyone's well. Keep safe. Wear a mask when you go out. And I'll talk soon. Okay, bye. So here I am holding it's a digitally transferred painting that I did through the equivalent of Photoshop, an app called Affinity Photo. And I transferred and rescaled the image, traced it onto the hard ground, and then with an etching needle I've already traced through those lines there. And here I'm using a jeweler's loupe to examine the lines that I've actually drawn through the hard ground, taking a look through the magnifying glass to see if there are any irregularities or chips or anything that I may need to touch up with a bit of liquid hard ground just before I put it into the Edinburgh etch solution. That's the etching needle there, and now I am just adding a little bit of extra cross hatching. Now ultimately the tone for the plate will be created with Lascaux, that's a proprietary name, Lascaux Hard Resist, Aquatint Resist, that I'll spray on with an airbrush. And I'm going to make a video about that soon, because it's a bit of an esoteric process. If you are looking to do it the first time, you will probably be grateful for an extra video on YouTube. There are some out there, some very good ones, but they are few and far between. So here I am just doing a little bit more to try and show you the steps involved. So here's a quick flyover of the etching plate there, showing a little bit of stop out varnish in places, and the overall design ready to be etched and then proof printed.